Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, what LLMs actually are and why the technical details matter for business users. Everyone in my company uses AI daily, and I'd bet not one of them could tell me what it actually is. Does that ignorance cost them anything?
Constantly. They treat it like a search engine that got a personality upgrade, and that mental model is wrong in ways that burn them.
Fine, so start at the bottom. What is a large language model, the thing behind ChatGPT and the rest?
At its core, it's a prediction machine. You give it text, and it guesses the next word, then the next, then the next. That's it. It's autocomplete that read most of the internet.
That sounds insultingly simple. There's no way that produces a coherent legal memo.
And yet, the trick is scale. When you train a system on trillions of words and give it billions of internal dials to tune, those dials are called parameters, the numbers it adjusts to get predictions right. Patterns emerge that look a lot like reasoning.
Look a lot like. That's a careful phrase. Is it reasoning or isn't it?
It's mimicry of reasoning, learned from watching humans do it in text. Sometimes indistinguishable from the real thing, sometimes catastrophically not. It has no idea what's true. It only knows what's statistically likely to come next.
So when it invents a court case that doesn't exist, that's not a bug?
It's the feature working exactly as designed. That's called a hallucination, when the model confidently produces something false. A fake case citation is a perfectly plausible-sounding next word, and plausible is all it optimizes for. 2 lawyers at Morgan & Morgan got sanctioned in 2025 for filing exactly that.
So the confidence is the dangerous part. It never sounds unsure.
That's the real trap. A human junior analyst hedges when they're guessing. The model delivers a fabrication in the same crisp tone it uses for facts. Imagine an intern who's read everything and remembers nothing precisely, but never once says, "I'm not sure."
Okay, that lands. So how does knowing this change what I actually do on Monday?
You stop asking it questions where you can't check the answer. Use it where you can verify, drafting, summarizing text you provide, restructuring your own thinking. Don't use it as your only source for a number you'll put in a board deck.
But the newer models are supposedly better at facts. Doesn't that solve it?
Better, not solved. The 2026 systems from OpenAI and Anthropic hallucinate less, partly because they now pull from live sources. That's retrieval, where the model looks things up instead of reciting from memory. But retrieval only helps if the source is good. Garbage in, confident garbage out.
Let's talk about the memory thing. People assume it remembers their whole conversation. Does it?
Only within a limited window. The context window, the amount of text it can hold at once. It's gotten huge. Some models handle a few hundred pages now, but drop something at the start of a long chat, and it may quietly forget it. It won't tell you it forgot.
So the failures are all silent. It never throws an error message.
Right, and that's what separates it from every other business tool you own. Your spreadsheet tells you when a formula breaks. This thing fails with a straight face.
Here's the uncomfortable one. Vendors sell these as productivity boosters. Are those numbers real?
Some are. Microsoft claims big gains from Copilot, their AI assistant. But that's Microsoft measuring Microsoft, so discount accordingly. The independent studies show real-time savings on routine writing and coding, and roughly zero, sometimes negative, on tasks needing genuine judgment. Because judgment is exactly where the mimicry cracks.
So the value is real but narrower than the marketing.
Always is. The people who win with these tools aren't the ones who trust them most. They're the ones who know precisely where the tool stops being trustworthy.
Give me the one thing to do tomorrow.
Take your last 10 AI queries. Sort them into 2 piles. Answers you could verify yourself and answers you just took on faith. That second pile is your risk. Shrink it.
That's it. The AI decision tools are live at mba-training.com.